Yes,
It's the, for us to be
we're
able
always
to feel that
embarrassed to
way.
talk about that.
But for us to be able to feel that way, tuwang-tuwa po ang mga masasamang elemento, especially the devil with that. Because, the devil is the king of deception.
Right.
He will make us realize things, present things in front of us that might seem like this is us. But, yun nga eh. I mean, if we don't have faith, then those kinds of events and thoughts will consume us, and we don't want that. We want to be strong. Of course, we start with faith. That's your core. I think that should be our core,
As you say, our faith.
our faith.
The
Number
one thing non-negotiable that you hold
Now
on to.
I know why you are doing so well.
Yes, thank
Because
you,
this
Ma'am.
guy makes sense. This guy is speaking from the heart, and I'm just so glad that you are using, like you said, use that platform. You can do a lot of dumb things and get away with it.
Yes, ma'am.
But anyway, congrats.